everybody. I'm Shawna Goodman, and I'm so happy to be here with you from my kitchen in Ra'anana, Israel. In the spirit of Shavuot, I wanted to share one of my favorite recipes with you, tiramisu. Literally means pick me up. Imagine mascarpone cheese, sour cream, cinnamon, cocoa, all coming together. You can create this recipe the night before, and it gets better over time. I also want to take this time to highlight the incredible work that Tel Aviv University is doing. These are really difficult, challenging days, and I'm very proud to say that Tel Aviv University created a national testing lab on campus that is servicing both Israel and the world. I also want to tell you the incredible support that Tel Aviv University is providing for the 6,000 students who are currently on campus. They are in need of psychological and financial help day in and day night. These things don't happen overnight. It happens because of people like you. It really does take a village, and it takes all of us to come together during these challenging days. I want to encourage you to join the campaign, the Drop Everything COVID-19 appeal. We need you now more than ever. Chag Sameach, from our kitchen to your kitchen. Chag Sameach, enjoy the tiramisu. Bye.